Hello, let's check out the speed of the fingerprint sensor on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So the fingerprint sensor is located on the side button or power button. So let's check out how quick it is. We don't have to press the button. We can simply place our finger on the button in order to use it, to use the the fingerprint sensor. And as you can see, it works quite fast. The device is being unlocked quite rapidly, I would say. There is very little delay. So I would say it works pretty good. Now let's check out from the lock screen. It is just as fast. Yeah. So I would say the fingerprint sensor speed is really good. It works really great. And I even didn't have any issues with detecting the fingerprint. So I would say it's pretty good. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.